Protect carpet pile by creating a soft, secure barrier between the baseboard and the carpet before you paint. Start by sliding a clean putty knife gently under the carpet edge to lift the rug slightly away from the baseboard. Slide a thin strip of craft paper or a soft foam backer under the lifted edge so the carpet fibers rest on the paper, not the baseboard. This prevents paint seeping under and crushing the pile. When you apply painter tape, press it only onto the baseboard surface and not down onto the carpet pile. Use your fingertips to smooth the tape without firm pressure so the adhesive seals on the wood but does not flatten fibers. If you must tape to the carpet edge, use low tack tape and apply it to the paper or backer, not to the fibers. Remove the tape at a shallow angle while the paint is still tacky to minimize pulling. Use a sash brush or angled trim brush with controlled strokes rather than tapping or dragging a roller near the edge. Hold the brush at a slight angle so bristles meet the baseboard first and any paint that drops falls onto the paper backer. Keep a small bucket of clean water and a soft sponge handy to blot accidental spots immediately, and change the paper backer as needed if it becomes saturated. Common mistakes are pressing tape hard onto the carpet, which crushes and traps fibers. To avoid this, do not press tape with firm pressure and instead tape only to the baseboard or to a protective paper slip. Another is dragging the putty knife along the carpet, which can shear or snag pile. Always lift the carpet slightly and slide tools under gently with the rounded edge leading, never push along the pile. A third issue is removing protection too quickly, which can pull loose fibers or dried paint. Remove tape and paper slowly at a low angle while the paint is still slightly soft or tacky, and pull back toward the painted surface to reduce stress on fibers. BigHomeProjects.com connects homeowners with local contractors and offers project resources focused on tasks like baseboard painting and fiber protection. We also host an active discussion community where our members share tips, ask questions, and post real job photos to help both homeowners and contractors find practical guidance and work opportunities.